Hello everyone, this is Mick from Nexus and welcome to 54 Bentley Street, Unit 2L, Woonsocket, Rhode Island. Before we begin touring this one bedroom, one bathroom, I'd like to remind you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you'll receive all the latest updates and videos of vacant apartments, as well as news of real estate and property management. Thank you. So we here at 54 Bentley Street, Unit 2L. It is a one bedroom, one bathroom unit occupying second floor of a 4-family home. Unit has been recently updated and featuring stainless steel refrigerator, gas stove, tile floor, fresh paint, and laundry is on site. We begin our tour in the kitchen, and please note it's a spacious, bright kitchen equipped with all the appliances you need. A large 4-burner gas stove. You have a large heating element as well as a modern stainless steel refrigerator. A couple windows allowing plenty of natural light to come in. Look at that, looks pretty bright. And additional cabinets and counter space, as well as stainless sink. So if we move forward, we'll be able to see up close. So we have a sink and you have additional cabinet and counter space in the galley part here. Tile floor throughout, and as well as the living room and bedroom. So we're gonna check out living room next. Here it is, a little bit vintage feel to it with wood paneling. 2 large windows as well, so this room is bright as well. Plenty of room to fit the sectional furniture and your entertainment center. Now, we have some outlets here. We have internet and cable connection, so it's ready for your services. And again, tile floor. And as we move forward, go through the kitchen, we'll end up in the bedroom. More tile floor, more wood paneling, 2 more windows, so all the rooms are pretty bright, as you can see. This room can fit any bed size you like, even a king size would leave you plenty more room for the rest of your bedroom furniture. As you can see straight ahead, there is a medium-sized closet there. So here it is, bedroom, and the bathroom also has been recently updated. Black granite tile on the floor, shines wonderfully, and then you have this marine blue color tile throughout, and a recently reglazed tub. As you can see there's a new tenant welcome package including all the essential touches, and it's courtesy of Nexus Property Management. And as a tenant of Nexus Property Management, you'll be able to enjoy benefits of paying your rent online. You'll be able to request your maintenance online and chat live with our staff 24/7. And once again, this is Mick from Nexus, and we're here at 54 Bentley Street. We're on the 2nd floor, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. Laundry is on site. We're able to accommodate any pets you may have for a small monthly fee. Unit is ready for immediate occupancy. And this is Mick from Nexus. Thank you.